Today, I'll be dissecting a 4-inch switchblade. Let's get to it. First, let's use a star screwdriver to remove the top cover. Inside, what we find is a strange spring mechanism which latches onto the knife. Unlatching the edges allows us to remove the spring latch and get a closer look. Now, this beveled edge is what grasps onto the push button. Now, basically, the push button makes the spring expand, so when the button is pushed all the way, the blade shoots out or it shoots back inside. A small latch in the blade allows the spring to connect and provide that switchblade momentum. Let's look at the blade interior. Here we can see the blade along with two spring-loaded joints here and here. These joints keep the blade locked in place. By pressing against the joints, we can remove the blade. The cool thing about switchblades is you can replace the blade. The only noticeable difference is this flat end and the rivet, which keeps the blade from flying out of the socket. The bottom has a nice slot, so there's room for the spring, which helps so the blade doesn't get jammed. Also, the window smasher can be unscrewed in case it gets dull. Now, this knife is surprisingly easy to put back together. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.